Alright guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you all already know, we're the
GR Bros, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Javon, aka one and only Ace. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know your opinions. Turn the post notification bell on so that you'll be notified each and every time we upload a new video, guys. Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about Unai Emery is sacked. Who do we think his potential replacements are?
Wasn't surprising.
Wasn't surprising.
Inevitable. But the thing is, the only thing that I would say would cause him not to get sacked is the passion of the board about Arsenal, about the fans, about winning trophies, right, over making a profit. Because I don't think they see Arsenal as their number one,
investment.
The number one interest in sports. I think they
the owners that use Conke.
Yeah, Stan Kroenke. I remember one time he spent $500 million on a ranch when his club was in need of money to spend on players. But
Crazy.
I don't know why he bought the ranch, but a lot of Arsenal fans were furious by that.
Yeah.
And see, a lot of Arsenal fans are still questioning his passion for the club and passion for winning.
Yeah.
So
it's just a cash cow for them. I think they pay the most. They pay the most for their match day tickets
in the Premier League.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was all about like, are they serious enough? Are they serious enough to take the big major decision to sack the manager? Were they? That was the question. Like, would they be interested in that? Would they care? That's the thing. I think they had some banners. We care. Do you or something?
Yeah.
I think I found like a banner similar to that are like that. Yeah. We care. Do you? So yeah. It was just up to the board to sack him.
Yeah, a lot of Arsenal fans wanted him. Yo, like Claude and AFTV were saying, yo, he should have been gone from back in Baku when Chelsea trashed Arsenal. Oh my god. We're not Arsenal fans, so we are not that passionate about Unai Emery getting sacked. We're just giving you guys the news, you know what I mean? We're Chelsea fans. But yo, honestly, it was getting from bad to worse. Like, Arsenal was in like 5th, they're now in like 8th or 9th. Yeah, it was getting from bad to worse. The board had to seek a change, and they need someone with more experience than Freddie Youngberg to come in and take charge, you know what I mean? Like, it's good for Youngberg to try to steady the ship in terms of removing the negative atmosphere and letting the guys want to play again and feel passionate again. But they need someone. I feel like Arsenal needs someone with a vision, direction, and someone that's able to motivate the team to come in and put them in the top 4 again. You know what I mean? It's kind of odd seeing Arsenal play in the Europa League year in, year out. When we were growing up as football fans, we were used to seeing Liverpool, Man U, Chelsea, and Arsenal in the Champions League, right? Like, those were the top 4 teams, and like Arsenal were always known for coming 4th. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's I hope they get back to winning ways. I'm not a hater, you know what I mean? So I'll just hope good for them. But replacements, Jordan. Who do you think is a suitable replacement for this job?
A suitable replacement?
Yeah.
Well, Mourinho is gone.
Yeah, for sure.
Pochettino is a possible replacement, but I don't think they would want a manager who hasn't won a trophy. They're looking for a winner.
Honestly, I feel like Pochettino, I would say Pochettino. You know why? He's the most reasonable option right now. Like, Brendan Rodgers is not going to leave Leicester. Ten Hag is not going to leave Ajax. And Carlo Ancelotti might be the second option because they're going through a rut right now at Napoli with the board and the players and him. So he's another option. And Allegri, I don't think they're going to go for Allegri. Allegri plays boring football. If Arsenal want to see very good attacking football, do not go for Allegri. Because that's like, it's rumored to be that Allegri was not taken on as Juventus manager anymore because his football play, style of play was getting boring.
And they hired Mauricio Sarri.
It hasn't done anything. Honestly. Well, I guess you're suggesting Pochettino, but you're saying it's not that likely that you
Yeah, I know he's kind of not really for an upgrade. It's not really. Well, it's an upgrade on Emery for sure,
Yeah.
but
You don't think Pochettino could, like, alright, Tottenham, he had a limited budget at Tottenham, right? And you see what he did with the youth and like that squad. Arguably there are better players at Arsenal. Don't you think he could?
arguably, I don't think so.
You don't think there are better players
No.
as strikers? Like Lacazette, Aubameyang, Pepe?
Defenders, no.
Yeah, but
Midfielders, no.
strikers. Yeah.
Strikers, Harry Kane, and Hung-Min-Son on the left wing,
But Lacazette
and Lacazette and Aubameyang
Aubameyang
match.
and Pepe.
They have matching strikers. Pepe, no.
No?
No. No.
What about keeper?
No.
Leno.
Loris better than
You
Leno.
know Leno saved their blushes
Yeah.
last match.
Yeah, but that's one match.
Leno is a solid keeper. Alright, anyways, let's not skip on the point. So who do you think? Give me a solid option. Who do you think will be the new manager?
Bro, it's hard. It's hard. Yo, I don't even know. They should have took Mourinho when they had the chance.
Yeah, for real.
But
Niko Kovac?
is he an upgrade?
Probably not, but he's a winner.
With
One
Bayern.
yeah.
But it's Bayern. He's scraped the
At least
league.
he won something.
He's scraped. Bayern
Alright, so-
decreased. Bayern actually
Alright, so
went
our-
down when
so
he
our-
came in.
So our verdict is that Pochettino is the best replacement then.
Yeah,
Pochettino.
he is
Alright,
the best replacement available.
Alright. Alright guys, there you have it. That's our input on Unai Emery's sacking and his potential replacement at Arsenal. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so that you may be notified each and every time we upload a new video. Also guys, comment below, let us know who do you think should be the potential replacement for Unai Emery at Arsenal. See you in the next video guys.